it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are making a recipe that you guys actually voted on Instagram. So I posted this photo and I asked you guys which one you wanted to see first, apple crisp or pumpkin snickerdoodles. And when I checked it, it was about a 50-50 split. So I decided to start with apple crisp since I already did a couple pumpkin recipes already, but I will be doing the pumpkin snickerdoodles next for the next dessert. But I wanted to do the apple crisp because it's something a little bit different, and it's honestly just like the easiest recipe ever, and I really want you guys to have it so that you can make it for Thanksgiving, or if you go apple picking and you have a bunch of apples that you don't really know what to do with. It's just like so rustic and fall. So let's get into it. So we are going to start off by peeling the apples and then chopping them up. You want them to be in bite-sized pieces, but you don't want them to be so small that they'll just turn to mush. So about the size that I am doing here, and they don't have to be perfect. Then toss those into a mixing bowl with the sugar, lemon juice, and cinnamon, and stir that up until they're all coated. Then in a separate mixing bowl, you can add the oats, brown sugar, and vegan butter or coconut oil, and mix that up with a fork until it is a crumbly mixture that looks something like this. And then you can pour the apples, followed by the topping, into your oven-safe casserole dish. Then bake it in your preheated oven for 40 minutes until it is nice and golden brown and crispy on top. And I like to serve mine with a scoop of vanilla cashew ice cream. Apple crisp was one of my favorite, like absolute favorite desserts growing up. My first favorite dessert was blueberry pie, but apple crisp was definitely my second favorite dessert. Just reminds me of falls and Thanksgiving dinners and just like sitting around a table with my family eating this amazing dessert. But now it's really exciting because we either use Cocoa Whip or a vegan ice cream like this one, and we make this vegan recipe. So it's kind of like a little twist on the childhood favorite. Oh, she's good. I think the topping is my favorite part. Is that everyone's favorite part? I don't know. It's like a oatmeal cookie or something. Just the best, you know? The top is like buttery and crispy, obviously. That's where apple crisp gets its name. But like so sweet, and then the apples are really cinnamony, but also tart from the lemon juice, which I really like the combination of sweet and tart. And then also the combination of warm and cold with the ice cream. Guys, gotta make this. And if you do, take a photo and tag me on Instagram or Twitter at @itslivb. This recipe is just so comforting to me. Also, something that's comforting is like I grew up with my dad watching football, and even though I don't live with my parents anymore, my neighbors watch football Sunday, so every once in a while I can hear them go like ah and cheer, and I don't know, it's comforting as well, I think. How is it so good? I mean, you can't really go wrong with butter and brown sugar, like ever. If this doesn't make you want apple crisp, then I don't know what will. Now I have to go find people to share this with because I live alone And I have a whole apple crisp, so I'm probably gonna go see if some friends and family want some. Go do a little drive around and share my apple crisp with people. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe and I hope you try it out. For those of you who don't know, I have a cookbook that is coming out in February and it is available for pre-order now on Amazon or Indigo, Barnes & Noble, all of those good places. If you want to pre-order it, you actually get a free 10 recipe bonus ebook with recipes that are not in the actual cookbook, and you get that basically right now as soon as you enter your order information on my website, so I will put the link for that below. Thank you guys for watching. I love and appreciate you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.